Right, back we go. It is February 27th. Checking out some stocks in the market. Market's been down, been getting hammered. Nasdaq bounced a little bit, but a lot of these small caps have pulled back big time. OCGN. Take a look at this. 156 million float, higher float, 2.03 billion market cap. Should you buy Oxygen for its COVID vaccine? That was on the 26th. That was the news. Motley Fool. All right, so and this was flat for a long time. August. Then it really exploded up January 2021. Broke out of this 3 level, and then this broke up to 5 plus. And look at this, 2 days back in February, this thing exploded to 18 plus. Went as high as 1877 and came back. Look at this. Looks like a flag going back and forth. Eventually, it's going to break up. I think had a good day on Friday. Yeah, this found support like 775. Broke up all the way to 1175. Put in this candle here. See this hollow candle? It's very important. It's usually a bullish candle. Touched right at 6. And then now it's going up. So right here, you're trying to make a move, trying to get up each time on stochastics, but it's not really turning up yet. You don't have the full move up yet. So, we'll see if next week this breaks above this 10 level. It stays. It's at 1020 now. And we go back up to 16. Low, not a low float, but if traders want to get in it, they can move it. And really the stop right here is 6 right here. Because look, this was the breakout right here, this candle, and right here. So there it is. There's your 6 stop. So we'll see if this moves on OCGN. Pulling back. All right, here's NAKD. We all know this stock's part of the GameStop saga. 424 million float, 444 million market cap. On the 25th, they signed definitive agreement for 100 million private placement. After this run up on this, see this low here, and this came all the way up to 225 plus. This came back and bounced, bounced to 175. It's got to get over this line now. Tried on this candle, but it faded. It was nothing after that. The next 2 candles weren't good. So 1's a big level here. If this 1 doesn't hold, you're going back to 75 and probably 50 here. You can see stochastics sort of down to oversold. It's just sort of like grinding down here. Looks like you could get another big move up, but it just depends at this point. So 1's a key level. 1 has to hold here. If you're going, doesn't hold, you're going to 75 and 50 cents. Now breakup on this would be 125-ish, anywhere to 225. Because if this gets rolling, a lot of these stocks are going to get moving, in that area. They'll probably pump this. So, watch that. If this gets moving, this could really turn up. But right now, you're just floating. You're floating back and forth. Nothing going on majorly with this. Just watch levels, key levels. All right, CIDN. $100 million float, 220 million market cap. So this is the movie cinema stock. It has over 12,000 domestic foreign movie screens. So we know this stock. This is the 2-level stock. Look at this, 2-level for years. It just bounced through. They bounced through in June, came back to the 50-cent level. Then it moved up. Look at the dip line here. Up, down, up, down, up. And right now it's at 1982 on stochastics. So it touched this 130. On the weekly here, see, weekly made that move from here to here. Right at 2 and it's going down. So, is this going to start going back down? It's possible. I don't think that's set up on the weekly. It's very high. It could stay up though. The daily, 130 has to go all the way down. Draw your line right here. 130 doesn't hold. I mean, you could go all the way back. Probably this 1 level. See that? If we bounce up, you're looking at the 2 level again because the 2 level's been for over 4 years. Look at that 2 level. almost 5 years now, 2016. So you got to watch that level on CIDM. It's in a downtrend right now, though. So we'll see what happens with this. One level's got to hold. It's going back and forth now. It's in a downtrend. And you got to break up past 2. You got to try to get past 2 at this point. And the weekly doesn't look good because on the weekly, look how many times you've been that high, and then eventually you go down, come down. Look at this right here. All this volume, you're up, now you're coming down. But doesn't mean it has to stay there. It could bounce. You can see right here off this like 125 level, you could bounce and come back up. Or even maybe just above that level, like 120-ish level. So we'll see what happens with that one. So, on these OCGN, looks like a flag. It could bounce up. NAKDs is hovering. There's nothing much. It's another level. You got to watch the levels in that. So it's CIDM. All depends on the market here. Small caps get hot again. If news breaks, stimulus passes, that might give a little boost again. Or we just might be in a downtrend for a while. Pull back till that's clear. So we'll see what happens on that. All right, so that's it on these 3. Watch your key levels. Subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, MikeFact98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. That's it. Peace.